everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade and a little update on the pepper plants. So take a look how sturdy they are and how gorgeous they look. So they've definitely grown and they are flowery and they're actually setting fruit. As you can see, there's a pepper there. On this one here, there's a little pepper growing there. This one here has lots of flowers on it, but is setting a pepper down here. So because they're fertilized once a month with the Epsom salt like I showed you before, and they got the fan on them, they've got really nice stems, they're producing fruit, they look good, they're doing awesome. So the only really thing here is just keep them watered, keep them fertilized, keep them underneath the light, keep the fan on them, and they'll start to fruit out even more. Now I'm going to move these down for a moment because I want to show you some maintenance that you're going to end up doing. So take a look at my other pepper plants here. So look at that. Look at the size of these peppers right now. Aren't they gorgeous? Nice rich green color. This one here, there's one right there, and there's a few there. But you see some that the blossoms are drying up. So what I'm actually gonna do is, I see that there is a lot of peppers already on this plant. I'm actually going to remove these smaller blossoms now, and so the plant will just concentrate on the 5 peppers here, and that way they grow nice and big. And same with this one here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 peppers here. I'm just going to take those blossoms off, do some maintenance and clean them, go, hey, these are the peppers that you're going to concentrate on. Okay, so take a look at this one here. Same thing. We got peppers all over the place. This one has 6. I'm going to remove these ones here. This is a little different kind of pepper plant. This is the Midnight Stuff. I'm just going to tilt it so you can see. These peppers are more flat. They're not elongated, and they should have about 20 or 30 peppers on them. So I'm not going to do the same thing with this one. So that's about it. Everything's looking really good here. I hope that your peppers are as successful as mine. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.